maglaro. Sa YouTube account ko nandun na yung ano ko, username ko. Nakikita niyo na yan guys. Yan. Laro tayo ng tayo. Stay na tayo. Stop na na. Wait na lang natin. Sorry guys, babae ako. So kasi. Kagi aga mamatay niya na. Aga niya guys mamatay. Kaya akit muna tayo dito. Innocent. No, she's murder. Ayan yung murder guys. Ay, nakaputi. Nakita ko eh. Ay, hindi pala. Alam ko to sino murderer dito, no? Sino murderer? What? This is me, guys. Research na. Oh my God! She killed me. Hindi ko nakita. Alam ko sa killer yun. Hindi ko alam. Wala, pinatay niya ako. May ice cream. Tataka ko guys. Ayaw mo na tayo. Ginas niya ako.
Hindi ka talaga nag-ganito ng online class mo, ha?
Oo na, wala pa nga eh.
Wala.
Wala! Pa nga nagtitiksi.
Labas doon!
Yeah.
Labas!
Dance. Uy, yung killer yung nataas ng baril kasi. Tumalun kasi. Nataas ng baril. Victory na siya guys. Since yung the killer red guy. There. But it's camping. Okay, dito na. Vote na tayo. Mansion. Naglalagay. Walang clothes. Minsan lang guys. Walk. I'm stuck. Okay, nandito na tayo.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dong. Ding dong.
Ako yung killer guys.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing.
Sayang yung tinapay. Dadamot kayo, hindi nyo kumakain.
Are you sleeping? Brother
Sorry guys, mamatay ko na. Yay, GG. Okay, not for long, pero maglalabas tayo mamaya. Revenge time. 40 na tayo, kaya pwede na ba mag-invisible dito? Try ko. Hindi pa kasi ako naka-ano dito, film mission. You don't have permission. Commands. Commands. Okay, innocent. 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 Uy, gago may namatay. Sorry. Yeah. My friend just killed me. Yeah, I almost killed you. Very scary. Want to add me? Just friend me, guys, in my YouTube account. Friend me, guys. Money. Weapon. I'll trade you. That's it. Noodles. Cocomelon. Ano ba? Ayan nyo na yun guys, minsan ko yun. Capybara. Mahal kasi. Emo. Okay guys. Okay, sis MVP. Ayan o, sis. Yeah, I know that, but
I've got lots of thank yous for you. For the good days and bad days, silly days and sad
sorry,
days,
girl.
perfect and messy days too.
It's okay.
I got to spend them with you. Oh, thank you, noodles and noodles, thank you, noodles and caboodles.
But
Like a bowl full of noodles.
let's send target. Okay, I know the sheriff. I'm the sheriff. Oh, boy.
Thank you, noodles and noodles. Thank you, noodles and caboodles.
No, I don't know, guys. Hindi ko alam sa spoiler sa hindi. Hindi pa namamatay. Gusto ko na.
Use for you.
Dito na natin. Red. She's just lying, guys. This smoky. I got this. This is beautiful. I don't like that.
Play, join us everyone. Think, create, science.
I'm not talking.
It's just like magic. It's so much fun. It's so magical, wonderful, colorful. Science is so fun to do. We are watching things, trying things, testing things. Now we're learning something new. Come play, join us everyone. Think, create, science is so fun. Mixing experiments, it's so fantastic. It's just like magic, it's so much fun. It's so magical, wonderful, colorful. Science is so fun to do. We are mixing things, pouring things, stretching things. Now we're learning something new.
Come and play, join us everyone. Make, create, science is so fun.
Mixing, experimenting, it's so fantastic. It's just like magic, it's so much fun. It's so magical, wonderful, colorful. Science is so fun to do. We are creating things, fixing things, pushing things. Now we're learning something new. Come and play, join us everyone. Make, create, science is so fun. Mixing, experimenting,
It's so fantastic. It's just like magic. It's so much fun.
I've got something in my lunchbox, something yummy, I know. I've got
Hindi ako makaakyat, guys. Kanina nakaakyat na ako.
lunchtime now, let's go.
I'm late
I've got a yummy honeycomb treat.
sa murder killer.
Drink to eat.
There are
I've
3
got a
men.
yummy honeycomb treat. Berries and cream to eat.
I'm not.
In my lunchbox, something yummy, I know. I've got something in my
I'm not
lunchbox.
the
It's
murderer.
lunchtime now, let's go. I've got a lunch that's full of cheese, lots of slices, so yummy. I've got a lunch that's full of cheese, lots of slices, yummy.
Sinacrifice ko yung self ko kahit di naman ako naman. Ah! Mistak ako!
Something yummy, I know.
Okay. Okay, ma.
It's lunchtime now, let's go. Carrots in my lunch today. Carrots and carrot cake. Carrots in my lunch today. Juice and carrot cake.
Let's eat.
Something in my lunchbox. Something yummy, I know. I got something in my lunchbox. It's lunchtime now, let's go. I have got bananas.
Yeah, she's MVP now.
Chips are on my plate. I
Ito, babae ako.
bananas great.
No?
Chips are on my plate.
Joke lang. Babae talaga ako. Gusto ko lang kaling lalaki.
I got something.
Ah, wala na naman akong damit.
Something yummy, I know.
Let's go, Willie.
I got something in my lunchbox. It's
They're
lunchtime now,
teamers.
let's go.
They're freaking
I've got
teamers.
mac and cheese for lunch. Let's
Third teamers right. It's done. Third teamers. Third teamers. Okay, we got here now. Innocent. Innocent. Kita ko yun ah. Kita ko yun. Hindi ako bulag. Innocent ako.
We all work together, side by side, side by side. When we all work together, we all try, we all try. When we all work together, everything is so much better. When we all
The coins is invisible.
side by side, side by side.
I saw the killer, guys. Takbo na tayo. Baka mamatay dito.
When we all work together,
Swimmer.
we all work together, we all learn, we all learn. When we all work
I
together,
know she's the
so
killer.
much better. When we all work together, we take turns, we take turns.
Oh, di ba siya yung killer? Kita ko siya eh. Bumatay siya. Okay, Acer siya nandito. Si Chitro. Ito na naman. Ito na naman.
When we all work together, everything is so much better. When we all work together, we have fun. We have fun.
Madaya yung friend ko. Pinatay ako. Ayan, deserve. I-deserve yan. Hill claps. Yan, lock. Yan. Ayoko tao ko, guys. May one spin na ako. Spin natin. Nagpapalit ako.
The sailor went to sea to see
Maybe we buy this.
but all that he could see was lurid starfish by the sea. But all that he could see was a crazy old high sea.
A red crab.
Bro, oh my god, I hate this. I hate being murdered. Oh my god. I wish I'm not innocent again. Yeah, I'm innocent again. I wish that. I hate this. Oh my god, I'm vlogging. It just will go reset. Okay. Okay, I hate this thing. And let's go just. I hate being Amber because I don't enjoy. I will change into Monkey Monkey. Oh my god, this is I hate this. Buti dito tayo nag-spawn. I hear murder. Sword. Ah! Okay. This is my last game only. Okay. Okay. Let's go in a private place, okay? Okay, guys. Okay, guys, that's all. Comment for part 2. Bye. And follow and subscribe. Bye.